Price, where is the apple? Where's the apple? That's right. Where is the flower? Flower? That's right. And where is the cat? Cat. Can you find the kitty cat? Price, can you find the kitty cat? Where's the cat? Well, that's a flower. What about the shoes? That's right. And the car? That's right. And where's the ball? That's right. And where's the cat? You just don't care about a cat. I know. Balloon. It's a pretty balloon. Thank you. Thank you.